In the world of stock trading, it's so easy to get overwhelmed. Endless information, free ebooks, paid courses, and scammy YouTubers. It's a complete mess. How do you even know what's real and what's just noise? I've been there. Yep, that's me. I know exactly how frustrating it is to waste time searching for the right information. That's why I'm making this video, to give you a no-nonsense A to Z guide on how to start trading stocks as a complete beginner. And the best part? You don't need to spend thousands on courses or fall for scams. Step 1. Choose the right broker. The first step? Choosing the right broker, and that's where Vestlye Broker comes in. Vestlye offers a user-friendly platform, low fees, and all the tools you need to start trading like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Vestlye gives you everything you need: fast execution, real-time data, and expert support. Step 2. Learn the basics. Before you invest real money, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals. Learn about market trends, candlestick charts, technical indicators, and different trading strategies. Vestlye provides educational resources to help you master the basics. Step 3. Start with a demo account. Smart traders practice before going all in. That's why Vestlye offers a risk-free demo account, so you can trade with virtual money and sharpen your skills without any risk. Step 4. Develop a strategy. Successful trading isn't about guessing, it's about strategy. Whether you prefer day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, Vestlye gives you access to real-time market analysis so you can make informed decisions. Step 5. Go live and manage risks. Once you're confident, it's time to go live. But remember, trading is about smart risk management. Vestlye's platform helps you set stop-loss orders, track market movements, and execute trades efficiently to maximize profits while keeping risks low. Now that you know the basics, it's time to take action. Sign up with Vestlye Broker today, start practicing, and step into the world of trading with confidence.